Yeah, uh, can't open my motherfucking eyes right now. Freestyle. Now this another day. I'm out here trying to get it. It's just another day. I'm out here trying to get it. It's just another day. I'm out here trying to get it. It's just another day. I'm out here trying to get it. Damn. Why they wanna stick me for my paper? Damn. Why I got so many fucking haters? Damn. All I wanna do is get them bands. Pulling up out of them caravans. Hope you understand when you broke, you gotta get it by any means. I was out there in them streets living my life mean. Chasing a dream that I never thought I would see. Now these niggas round here mad cause I am a fiend. Addicted to the lyrics, addicted to my pain. Addicted to this game, addicted to the fame. Nigga, you better get your mind right. I ain't nothing like yo, I'm too bright. I'm in the shine like damn, it's extra bright. And I ain't going back. Darkness, nigga, I can never relate to that. All you wanna do is talk out your neck like a hoe do. I ain't got no time, man, you hypnotized like voodoo. I be kicking at you niggas, call it young kung fu. Fat Mac, attacking the game, and I know you never that. I never speak to you, believe that. Tryna dap me up and shake my hand, you can't get that. Recognize real, my lyrics be real. And yeah, I'm from that 330, and I'm from the Ville. And I be in the Woo, and I be in Akron, and I be in Canton, and I be in the land. I'm headed to Columbus just to meet the connect. And yeah, I'm on the highway, you niggas gotta respect. I'll leave you wet if you be in my way. And I know what it's like being broke. Nigga, it's just another day. I'm trying to get paid. It's just another day. I'm trying to get paid. It's just another day. I'm trying to get paid. It's just another day. I'm trying to get paid. Many nights, puffing on them Newports, sipping on that Henny Patron. Bombay, nigga, it got me feeling a certain type of way. Whole bunch of cats out here hating like every way. But it's another day that I'm out here struggling for my family. Free my pops, I do that annually. And my brother and my mama, that's all that I got. And that's all I need, boy, until I reach the top. Money gon' pop, nigga, when them hoes on the pole. She dancing, nigga, she move that ass real slow. She said she never seen a real nigga like before. I be telling her this one of a kind. This pay-per-view, you pay for it. Nigga, you can't buy it. Nigga, you can't ride it. Nigga, you niggas ain't hot like me. I'm like a pilot. Nigga, I'm so violent. And if you talking shit, I move slow like a violin. I'm silence a killer. Assassin, trained to kill. Niggas be talking that beef shit, but don't be for real. Listen to what I'm saying. The shit that I paid for. You understand where I'm coming for? You don't understand though, cause you never could be in my position. Playoff time, boy, and I'm just clinching. I know what you niggas talking about, dirty dishes. When I came through, boy, I did this right. I ain't never gonna sip the lean on that Sprite. I ain't never sniffing coke no more. I'm too right, nigga, I'm too bright. And I'm so fucking real, and you other cats fake. And you know I run the Ville. It's just another day. I'm on my paper. It's just another day. I'm on my paper. It's just another day. I'm on my paper. It's just another day. I'm on my paper, waking up, nigga, rolling up another swisher. Got a bad bitch in the kitchen, disher. I know what it's like, boy. I know what they right, boy. I know what it's like, boy. You don't wanna fight, boy. Damn, they said my eyes so low. Is that because I'm blowing on that magic coke? Call my cousin Shaka, tell him I need that kush. And if I don't get it, then I might just ambush yo little hut niggas, cause you can't fuck with me. I know what it's like, boy. I'm spinning like a frisbee. Records playing heavy. I know what it's like. Niggas see me and they say I'm cold like ice. Just another day. I need my money.